not looking too much social media. Like you look here, like there are so many comments in the social media that a doctor and patient they both know the same. Why? Because they both look this way. This is not true. So when you look too much, even little cough, little like sinus, little temperature have any problem, like a hand washing. And they are buying all these expensive things. They don't need to buy. Even soap and water is very good. If you don't have a water, maybe hand sanitizer, keep a cotton mask. Like if you look at the CDC, W Health Organization's guideline, they are not telling all the general community to wear N95 or medical. This one we never found before. It's a beta coronavirus. And that is found to have associations with the secretion. So what we are looking is totally different. We become nervous and anxious is totally different. Why we cannot do this way? Just keep the isolations at home. We don't need to go outside if we have to. Just to home, stay home, safe and healthy. What will happen tomorrow? Why we have to think it when we take care of very well today? Second thing, when they are moderately infected, they would be admitted in a hospital. So the way the thinking process for them, when I'm in a hospital, I'm in isolation, and spending the time, you still have to spend the time, continue good isolations, sanitization techniques, and if you still have a time, instead of looking too much on social media, maybe read books. For the Indian community, the reading books at home is quite often. Can we do that? And if we still cannot do it, this way, rather than going a totally extreme way of the stress management. Doctor, very nicely you have explained what the patient and the patient's family should do. Now, when you mentioned about the Indian families, can you just tell us a rough figure or something like that? However, we cannot define that less number as a general perception because our community is far less in the numbers in India, in the US. So you will not see the higher number of the patients. They have a perception that Indians are more in our food and our like we also think about BCG vaccine that we think that we have taken during the childhood, and that's why we have immunity. I don't think it's proven. The clinical trial is underway. What the response to then that BCG vaccine gives some non-specific immune response. Is it sufficient group and the initial group? So high risk group, the immunity is always there if it is compromised. What are the wrong perceptions that by doing now again that will boost your immunity? That is not true. Immunity does not get boosted in a day or two. It is a long-standing accumulated process. So, and we drink the hot water. Why? At least that will give you good protection. Can we start something good? In our country, we need that. Because every household, we have 5 or 6 people or more people because we live in a joint family. So these all the small measures can boost all our family's immunity.
Zinc, if we have iron, if we have vitamin C, it increases our immunity and it will help against the COVID-19.
That's correct. But that should not be on a day one. It should be always in our diet. Just like we are eating this jaggery. It has lots of iron and zinc that we never think, but now we should think about this. Yes and no. Yes, in a way, we all are human. We all have a different sensitivity. So highly sensitive healthcare people may feel that they cannot do anything and their patients are suffering and dying from this. So they are little stubborn, little stronger, they take care of them. The frontline people, the nurses, emergency medical services people, police officers, they have not seen this very often. That this is like a 1 in 100-year pandemic. So they may be suffering more. Number 2, stress management plan. They should think stress as a part of the life rather than stress as unusual stress. You are seeing it, you are not experiencing it. So why cannot you be stronger to go there? And the third thing, when you cannot handle, then you have to seek counseling, psychiatric.
Has to come, and especially the think of diabetes or cancer or heart element or whatnot. So how to remove that fear from them?
Like you have to look this different else. So why to think about it? Number two, more death from diabetes, strokes, heart attacks, cancers compared to coronavirus. That does not mean we should ignore the care. That does not mean we should ignore the guidance and hype, but the thinking process should be there. In the evening, so why to look again in the evening to see what happened and look one more negative stories? So when you think that way, that will make a difference. Like if you recall in all these newspapers and everything, 100 years before, of course we were not that many like communicable with everybody, but 5 crore people died. It was Corona. Corona is not coming to your home, but we still think about it, right? And that is killing us more than an actual virus itself.
Okay, so according to you, one should not go through the social media often and just read and then this time of uncertainty.
The advice will be still saying very clear. Number one, that they should follow all normal sanitization, isolation techniques. Number two, can we hug our baby? Very difficult call, very difficult question. Then they should use the formula milk rather than feeding the baby. If the mother is asymptomatic, to not have any signs and symptoms of any illness, then they should keep all the precautions like isolation, sanitizations, and frequent hand washing, like hot water or
Okay, but what about the trauma which they are they because they might be feeling like you said that they can't hug their child or they can't do breastfeeding, etc. So, in are they going to be have more trauma in that?
if they are asymptomatic, I always suggest them to get medical attention. Can they breastfeed if they are normal? Yes. Can they take care of that baby well when they are normal asymptomatic? Yes, they should do it. Right? If the baby is infected, if the baby is healthy, not having any symptoms, then baby is young woman after the pregnancy. Now you look this way, that is mother's body's reaction to the pregnancy, mother's brain reaction to pregnancy. So postpartum depression, postpartum anxiety, postpartum depression, rather than they should think that it's special conditions and then they would have something. Or they should be treated. Sorry.
No, yeah, please.
Of course, they should be continue watching their symptoms for the postpartum depression. If the symptoms are manageable in a normal home environment, then they should continue.
I'm sure that she's also got the reply. Now the next question is one from Mr. Sunil Pujari, Bangalore. And his question is, in these times, what are the risks of pupil with special needs as compared to regular person? If a person with mild autism but no other medical issues, would
These students are not going to listen to you what you tell them. They will do what they like it. So they are not going to have a mask. They are not going to have a social distances which you want them to do. So this would be a challenge. So how you will take care of them at home. So whatever best you could do, sending them to school, it's so hard to think at this time. Even in the US, most of the schools are closed until September. So we do not know how after the September will come until we go there and see what is the status. The same thing will be over in India. What I feel that this kind of special population would be the same thing. There is no special recommendations. There is no special management for them. Are they at higher risk than the general populations? Maybe. Why? Because it is so hard to manage social distances, sanitizations, and everything. I think we can do what we best can we do.
lockdown has given a lot of people mental stress due to money and work slowdown. How to deal with this? This question has come from Mr. Gomes, Coimbatore. Because in India it's almost 2 months now for the lockdown. Rather, today is 24th, and the 24th only our Honorable Prime Minister announced the complete lockdown. For the people who are working and they don't have the money now, and work has slowed down, so it's a working person. I am sure that he is everyone is suffering, so it's not that only one person, he himself is suffering, everyone is suffering. So one should have faith and go ahead with how everyone is going ahead.
Yeah, and then we do not know how it will come out yet. We are still at home, so we are not.
From Mr. Sarpodar, Mumbai, he has asked, dealing with anxiety in the lockdown, any solution?
Yes, that is very important. And you take that in a three different medical way. Most important in any anxiety management with anxiety. The sympathetic activity goes higher. If normally your heart is racing at 70 beats per minute, here you will have 72 beats per minute. Normally you are breathing 14 to 16 per minute or less than that, here you will have little higher. So your body metabolism is not high. So how do you go for professional help like medical doctors and everything? How do you do neurobiological way? What is the root cause of your anxiety? Well, I have to stay home. That's nice. Think in other way that you have never been staying home, working or living in your home, which we did not pay attention of cleaning and sanitization. Can we improve that? This is a new way to divert your brain. So only way the sympathetic activity will slow down or remove that trigger. And trigger cannot be removed here because you are constantly worried about adult, mature adult, taking care of our family. So we have to find our ways to deal with this. If you cannot do it, then the medical help is there. Will the medication fix your problem? No. Medications will still help you, but it's not going to fix the problem. Okay, then go for counseling. So how many other ways you have to go, how to slow them down, how to keep them in home? These are the different questions and different ways to deal with them. And we do not know answer for them, but the medical answers, people, those who are at home working, for them, something like this could be helpful.
is to change the lifestyle and think positively, be positive, and think that you can do many things. And as you said, that this is a golden opportunity to spend time with your own family. I am sure that recently in India, suddenly the shops are opened. Yes, yes. Please advise behavioral change that I have to make. I usually finish whiskey every day. He has not mentioned how much quantity. The withdrawal symptoms did not allow me to sleep at night. My regular drinking friends are not joining.
Was doing it. Alcohol as a gamma aminobutyric acid. So what it does, it calms down the brain. It may make some social irresponsible behavior, but medical way it calms down the brain. People are using for all this reason. Now, you think alcohol is helping you. You think alcohol can do it to us. So if you think that way, that will help you. Number two, withdrawal symptoms. You did not have for 2 months. So that means there is no withdrawal symptoms. So whatever withdrawal symptoms, what you count is your anxiety to get alcohol rather than alcohol withdrawal. Number three, all money you would keep every day in children's savings. So this is a good way to look at it. The bad way of looking at it, well, you are desperate for alcohol. But do you think it is helping you? Do you think it is helping you? Answer is yes. Then it is more dangerous than corona, which we are not looking at. So this is the way I would answer your question. And if you
So why not you be consume alcohol so that coronavirus will go?
so now sanitization is different. And consumption is different. Both have different consequences. They both have different ways to love. So one doesn't go other, another doesn't.
And her question is, due to this coronavirus pandemic situation, the daily wage earners and poor are caught in the worst war of survival, and these ill-fated migrants to fulfill even the basic essentials with unknown uncertainties. The psychological problems crop up this situation. It's a very lengthy question.
Yeah, and it's very important question. And answer to her, you are not the only one in this boat. We all are doing it. because CDCW, like World Health Organizations, which are quietly available to everybody around the world, they are suggesting the same way. Like, you have only two options. Can you change the situation as an individual person? Answer is no. So we all are collectively dependent upon the similar way we discuss. Try the best to change your, like our divert our thinking of stress to somewhere else by doing something. Keep yourself busy, engaged doing something, and if still not possible, then we go with medical help. I don't think the question
Will be satisfied with your answer. Now, one question is Mr. Paul from Mangalore. Doctor, are you saying with 2 months lockdown in India, people who are able to manage without alcohol are lucky? They are out of the addiction?
I think so. Pure neurological way. We worry so much about brain. Daily alcohol on several years from now, long term, brain will be shrinking earlier compared to people those who are not drinking alcohol. You are spending your money to drink it. You think that's happiness. All it is giving you is a problem. You are not winning there any single time. So I think it's a blessing. And I agree with that.
Before that, I would like to know, is in USA, is mobile is allowed in the quarantine center, institutional quarantine centers there?
There are few people, they use it, yes, and they sanitize and they keep with them because they believe that that's the only way to keep this, or they have this or not. But here, patients can use it if they are communicable.
But here in one of the states, I was told that they have banned the mobile in quarantine center. So according to you, what is going to happen to the patient state? That is the question. Whether the patient will have more anxiety or
Physical breakdown will come on that particular time. So, did the research show all are correct that you are isolated, not in communications with anybody, sudden acute illness, you will be depressed and anxious, and answer is yes.
Okay. I'm sure. Thank you. What did you want to give? Because in India, if you see, our mortality rate is still very low. We are lucky that our mortality rate is very low in comparison to USA. So what message you want to give to Indian people all across the world so that we all will fight this coronavirus in with a full, you can say that with high.
That when you go to school or work or whatever you will do, you do not know. Number two, you are at home, you are safer with your family. So you don't have more options to think, even you want to think. So why not to use this opportunity to build up yourself? How often we look inside our family, ideally, and how you are doing it. Can you find out how your children should do rather than what you want them to do? So this is a good time to build up yourself for more stronger. When you think the corona will kill you, then your brain will kill you more early. Not a single newborn baby was laughing when born. A human will die with crying. So why worry about corona? Just build up yourself, be strong, and be helpful. This is how I look at it.
Very nice, you have said, and you said that we should realize ourself, our own strength. Thank us who have sent so many questions, and we are trying to bring lots of new types of people to discuss and to solve your problems every day. And I am thankful to Dr. Pandya to giving so much time. And I know that your